Hey guys. Okay, so here I was thinking that I wanted to have some Gay Pride rainbow shoes for Pride, and instead of spending a whole lot of money and buying them online, because local stores definitely don't have this sort of thing, I saw some tutorials on YouTube, and so I'm going to attempt to try this here today. So far I've bought these canvas shoes from Michael's, and they were only like $6, so really inexpensive. And then a pack of fabric markers, which I think were like $10 because I got them on sale, like half off. Okay, so first what you want to do is mark off where you want each color to go. And I've already done that with some measuring tape and just a pencil. So I'll go through, and this is going to be the red, orange, green, or red, orange, yellow, green, blue, then purple. Okay, so you're going to want to take out your shoestrings. And I already have Rainbow Pride shoestrings, so yay! I don't have to color these. I'm going to take these out. And then the other one. Okay. Then, what you might want to do is tape off the bottom rubber if you don't want the colors to bleed onto that, because I don't want to mess that part up. Let's see. So I have some masking tape, which I think will do the job. Get started. Cover this up. You really just want to cover the fabric, not the rubber. First you got your, you want to protect your floor, because unless you really want paint everywhere. So that's probably, I should have said do that first. Trying to do this so it doesn't get all messy. They've been taped off. Go ahead and choose your red. And you can either start from the back or the front. I think I'm going to start from the front, and I'm going to start to fill this in. hopefully I have enough fabric ink to do both shoes. Of course, I'm gonna try and add some glitter to this later. You know, because you gotta have your gay pride sparkle. Okay, so I got a little alcohol, and I'm going to see if I can blend the colors together using the alcohol. I guess it'll give it sort of a, well, I guess more of a tie-dye look. I'm going to try and see how this looks. Okay, not too bad. Kind of cool. Of course, I might actually go over these again with some more ink or some more paint of some kind, because they're not really dark. I mean, it's not really as bright as I would like it to be, but I guess it's not too bad. Pretty cool. It's giving it tie-dye look. There you go. Pride shoes. Okay, as you can see, I have done both shoes. Now it has sort of a really cool tie-dye effect. Pretty simple, doesn't take but maybe 30 minutes to an hour to color both of them. You want to put probably 2 coats on each one, and then you get you some rubbing alcohol and just soak them and let the color kind of fade into each other to give it that tie-dye look. Now we just let them dry, and once they're dry, I'm going to take the tape off, and I am going to add the shoelaces, the rainbow shoelaces, and add some glitter. Okay, well, here's the finished product. I have removed the tape off of the bottom. I have added some nice sparkly glitter and the rainbow shoelaces. Oh, and just for good measure, if you want to put a little Scotch Guard on it just to protect the colors and protect the shoes from getting all muddy and dirtied up while you celebrate Pride. Alright, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe, and happy Pride, everybody!